Hello, in this guide I would like to briefly talk about the shipping page. In the previous video we mentioned that once you print off a shipping label for a shipped order, those labels will appear in here and you'll be able to have your whole history of labels and you'll be able to re-download them when you need to. One additional thing that I would like to mention here is the manifesting controls that you can see up here. Now these will appear only after you connect the required carriers. So for example, Royal Mail, USPS, Deutsche Post, or Royal Mail click and drop. To briefly go over this, a number of carriers sometimes require or recommend that you manifest shipments for the day. So you go through your day, create multiple shipments, and then you need to compile them into a single document. This is mandatory for Royal Mail and Deutsche Post. It is recommended, but generally up to the choice of the user when using USPS manifests. And for Royal Mail click and drop, we don't actually create manifests, but these are the controls used to update tracking code information from Royal Mail click and drop to multi-orders. So to briefly go over the process for Royal Mail, at the end of the day, once you're done shipping, simply click to generate a manifest and it will take all of the unmanifested orders that it can find and then manifest them. So if you ship orders over the weekend and then manifest on Monday, it will take orders from all of those 3 days. With USPS, since it's not mandatory, you might manifest one day or manifest another. For that purpose, you can choose a time period which you would like to manifest, and it will only manifest orders within that range. Deutsche Post works exactly the same as Royal Mail, except the only additional option is you can choose how many documents for pallets you can generate. So in Deutsche Post's case, they expect you to stack all of your parcels onto a single pallet, which is then wrapped, and then you click and then you stick on a single unifying label on top of it. So if you know that you have multiple pallets, 4 or 5, you type in that number here and then click complete. It will then, again like Royal Mail, take all of the unmanifested orders, manifest them, and generate 5 pallet labels for you to click on. The pallet manifests will be able to be found here with all of the orders that have been manifested as well. And for Royal Mail, as I mentioned, it's only used for syncing in tracking information from Royal Mail click and drop to multi-orders. And that's all the extra information about the shipping page. If you still have any questions, do get in touch with our team over the live chat support over on the right side. Or you can always check out our guides if you click on the question mark link above, and it'll take you to a FAQ with our various bits and pieces of information regarding orders, inventory, and anything else that you might want.